how to add OBS virtual camera in Discord. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on our OBS studio. Once you open that, just upload the image that you want to use as your virtual camera. So let's say, for example, that you want to use this image right here. So we're going to use this as an example. And then once you're now done with this, what we're going to do is to click this Start Virtual Camera. Once you do that, the virtual camera will now start, and then that's basically it. You can now use it on your Discord. So on your Discord, just go here and then just go to any server and then click this user settings, which is located right here. And then on the left screen, just scroll down until you see voice and video. Once you're now here, just scroll down and then until you see this video settings, and then just click this camera right here and then click this one. And then click this OBS virtual camera. And then once you click that, as you can see, we now have used the virtual camera for our Discord. So you can now use it when you are in a call. So this is what they will see once you open your camera. So that is basically it. That is how to add OBS virtual camera in Discord.